Everyone, Angela here. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Copaiba. This is one of the newish oils from doTERRA that I have totally fallen in love with. It's kind of got a woodsy scent. I really like to smell it. It almost smells like burnt or decomposed wood, but in a really good way. Some of the ways that I use this oil are topically, like sometimes I add to my skin. I feel like it helps give like an extra round of kind of just nourishment, but also helps clear out any of the breakouts that I have going on. And then also I diffuse this one a lot. I feel like it's a good base for some of my citrus oils, you know, and I just like the smell too. We're kind of an earthy house if you haven't noticed, but it smells really great. So I like it in the diffuser, but also because I think it's a good way that I can help get the oil to my dogs. Because old Perdita, she's so sweet. She is 10 years old this year, and she's got lots of, you can tell she's kind of stiff and sore. So I like diffusing it so that she can get, so that she can inhale it and get some of the benefits from it. This can help with pain, inflammation. A lot of people use it for headache relief, or like migraines even, so they put it around the temples, back of the neck, and of course the aroma, getting it into your bloodstream is important. Steve is here to say hi again. Hey Steve. People are using Copaiba sorry, for anxiety, congestion, nail fungus even. So like if they have athlete's foot, cleaning off the foot, letting it dry completely, and then adding, a drop or two of this right on top of it. So, as far as pain or inflammation goes, they say just add, use coconut oil to help kind of get it onto the skin. Coconut oil also helps, fractionated coconut oil helps the oil stay on the skin longer so that it can absorb in more. So I've been told. I'm not a scientist, but there's a little bit on my bottle, so I'm getting it on my hands, so I smell fantastic. But yeah, so those are just a few of the ways that I use Copaiba around the house, and of course I have it in some roller bottles, and then, I apply it on the dogs a lot, and of course the kids. And then the diffuser, that's really the main one. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Comment below with any questions you might have, and I'll try to help you out. And then of course, if you haven't, subscribe already. That way you get notified when I have new videos, and I can, you can be part of my community, which is the whole reason that I'm doing this. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.